Happy 4th of July, everyone. Today is the day that we celebrate our independence, and today we're going to give you a little sneak peek about this very special car, a 1956 Packard Clipper Custom Hardtop. There's something really special about these particular cars, but this was the end of the era for the Packard, and we just purchased this car and we're very excited and cannot wait to show you guys all of the really cool features about this car. So, stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed that little quick clip. I know I enjoyed making it, but I'm going to really enjoy making a fully length video on this car. And it's really special. There's a lot of really cool features about this car and this era in general. But I'm going to get back to driving. See you guys.